I finished my Marx E7 to E8 conversion SOO line engines tonight. I painted a B unit. I also removed the side square windows like I did to the A unit, and I replaced them with round decals that I made. I got out my maroon and yellow ones. I guess that's the pre-1961 version. And I originally put a little jewel where that Mars light was. I wasn't really happy with that, so I popped that off and did it right. I drilled it out. I put a replacement lens from Robert Grossman in there. There's 19-volt LEDs top and lower in both units. I get those from Evan Designs, and so we're going to test them out. We'll run them together and see how they do. And both locomotives have the power pull motor, the one with the traction tires. So they run pretty good. I think they look really good. I'm really happy with them. Thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget that Jesus is Lord.